Yo, it's your boy Boog, and I'm back with another video. And today, we're gonna be using, in my opinion, the best build for Connie. Connie is an essential piece when it comes to playing the victims. You gotta be very strategic when you play Connie, so I'm gonna give y'all the best build in my eyes. Strategic does not mean you have to play slow either, because this can't be a speedrun build. So for the first perk, I use Bomb Squad, which is to get through all those traps with Hitch, Hands, Nancy, etc. Extra Drip for extra health when you take those health bottles, because playing Connie, that's very essential. And Efficient Locksmith to give us an extra chance to keep our key, to keep it pushing, and good for those speedruns. Here's my skill tree, just in case you guys want to give it a try. I honestly feel like this is the best Connie build, especially when it comes to speedrunning. And for all the Connie users, if I'm wrong, comment your favorite build for Connie. I would love to give it a try in the future. Don't forget max proficiency and 15 and 2 endurance. But we're gonna go ahead and jump into this video. Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe.
Holding a copy of King James Bible.
Y'all gotta cook though. I'm speed on me.
I should put my efficient locksmith on this
I don't know where sing. Y'all open any doors?
Yeah, I'm opening this baby.
The other phase in the north tunnel.
I'm in the south tunnel.
Who was cutting down stuff?
I heard that shit too. I'm going through the thicket.
Leland, over here.
I think it's the thicket right here. I've been playing long enough. Damn, I didn't keep my lock.
What's that?
No, what side you go up?
I'm a dead base on the main generator side right now. Might do the second gate. I don't know how.
Left, right side.
Right or left?
Right.
Alright, Hands is on the right side.
The second
battery.
gate's open.
You got one more
I
to
need
do?
one more. Yeah.
I got my fast pit.
Oh,
You wanna go back there, but I got my hit and stuff.
Nobody over here.
The other face finna go. The other face going over there right now.
Come on.
To find the others.
Wanna slide that way?
Yeah.
I ain't got no stem.
I ain't
Somebody
got the
else
right
right there
over
too.
here. Alright, let's go.
Damn.
I shouldn't have used it on him.
Ain't no holding me.
I think Elizabeth seen me.
He see me.
Yep.
He missed. And he stalled.
Oh yeah. Just fast pick that thing.
Hurry up, Bray. Hurry up, Bray.
Please.
I'm behind you.
Pull. Latch that door behind you.
Oh, I didn't know
Hold
it.
on. Hold on. Yep, here we go. We out.
I'm not. I don't got no stem.
Where you at?
I ain't got none either.
I'm good. Hands right here. You got good.
Oh, he
Get up
got
out
me.
there. No, get up. You good.
He stole. He stole.
I'm finna run to the whole other side. I think I can do it.
Here you go, Anna. No, don't do it. Don't do it to yourself. Yeah, you. This tiger is
Damn this long ass
immediately.
street.
Please.
Alright, cool.
Fucking shit to people. I need to be at peace.
Nancy house. Lock in.
Hands,
Hands, Johnny, Sissy. Sissy probably gonna do what she did last time we played. The Sissy put the cloud on the man cave. She might do that shit again. Really.
This might.
Bro, I hate when I grab this fucking health bottle, bro.
Like, bro, you need to fix
I
it.
grabbed 2 last match.
I'm sipping on this styrofoam. I'm getting deep, but I'm a dialogue. Buddy smoking some music. Yeah, mama.
I can use that.
Open it up. Why do they think they got my back on my spine there? Oh, that
This
noise.
was nighttime. I wish it was nighttime. Who's over here?
His hands moving?
Hey, y'all got your-
He just do hands spawn right next to this shed? Oh no, he putting the trap on there now. I'm about to say he didn't move at all.
Alright.
Where did he put it at?
I
On
got
the,
the door.
pressure tank.
I got the ladder door done. She might go back up there. She checks it. And she gonna be at the play.
Bro, don't piss me off.
But who the fuck is Leland?
I don't know, cause I'm Julie this game.
Okay, she poisoned the
You got
you
me
ain't-
fucked up. You're not gonna chase me in the fucking basement.
she poisoned the man cave again. I knew it. All right, I'm gonna do the other door over here then.
I'm gonna grab this fuse. Do y'all think the fuse is the fuse inside, or you think it's in Johnny?
I'm about to go up the ladder and tell you it's in the and I kept my key.
Cause
gonna let you know.
I'm in the side gate.
Oh, you unlocked it?
Yeah, I'm in here.
Okay. Well, somebody in the garage.
It might be hands. Stop talking.
Whoa, why is
Wait.
Sissy down here? And she has serrated. Get up, please. Get up, please. Get up, please. Put this hell bottle on. Put the hell bottle on. Put the hell bottle on.
Come on, Johnny. I know you see me.
Alright, Sissy got the whole house down on lock, bro. I ain't gonna lie. She's poisoning both sides of the ladder. She's raising the stairs and the ladder. So we probably try battery maybe.
They about to come up here for me.
Where you at?
I'm upstairs right now. I'm just the one nice
I'm
man.
unlocking the gate to battery.
The actual gate or the
This going in.
huh?
This going in.
Okay. Go battery. Let's do that. I got my fast pick coming up right now. I'm coming out the cold room right now.
The cold one.
Yeah. Up the ladder. Outside. I'm running over there right now.
What's
Leave him
that?
down.
Oh, hand.
Hands is coming over here. It's
He is. He's on me
shoot.
though. You got it off? Am I here? Come on, Jay.
Sissy on me.
Turn it off. He gonna turn it off. I don't think I'm gonna make it.
He behind you. You good? You
Well,
good? You good? You
y'all
good?
in the back. That's you.
Oh my god. What are they doing?
You always on my mind.
I just picked up a fucking health bottle.
I should go stab him already.
You won't.
Oh, he up and moving now. So, bro.
Come on, come fight me. Come on. Come on. Shimon.
I just accidentally picked up 2 health bottles.
That's bad. Oh, you're chasing me? Do you want that big fella? You hashtag need that? Better leave me alone.
I'm doing left side battery.
What'd you go through? Oh wait, no, I know you went through. That was a dumb question.
Alright, cook on me. I'm at the well.
Oh, good. Where
Yeah.
you at? Where you willing at?
I don't know about the battery. Oh, yeah. Fuse going over right now. If you do it for real. Oh.
You better not be messing with Grandpa. You already opened the left gate?
Anna, stay with me.
You doing fuse for real, Jay?
Get rid of this.
I'm finna die too. Are you doing fuse for real or no? Who just stabbed the chicken?
Oh no, Maria.
Well, left side battery's open.
We asking questions and they're not being answered.
Let's see. Who Leland?
Me.
Alan. Is Cook still back here or no?
I just heard Cook footsteps somewhere.
Somebody's in the house.
Okay.
Somebody's in the house.
Alright, I just fast
Do
picked
not
Cook's
run
lock.
straight towards me.
Is this nigga still in the basement?
No, he just came up.
I'm talking about Leatherface?
Yes, he just came up.
Okay.
I might die, depending on how fast this thing goes away.
Worry about cutting barriers.
Alright, I'm in battery. Going the gate.
Cook is going over there, I'm pretty sure.
I'm about to fight him.
Oh, I'm gonna do the battery here. I can start coming back
I'm
here.
keeping them busy.
25% done.
Leatherface might be going over there.
50% done.
He chasing me.
Battery done in 5, 4, 3, 2,
Stupid.
1.
Leave me alone.
Hands is gonna disconnect. This nigga's in, what's the call it, but...
Well, Cook over here.
You got it open?
No,
Yeah.
I might die though. I'm gonna be real.
Oh shit! I forgot. I forgot to have a little bit.
I'm about to be dead. Oh, I got stimulus cell. Never mind.
Damn! Somebody's got door slam. I almost died. I forgot to have a little face.